Grasses play an important role in human economic activities. The grasses are one of the most successful terrestrial life forms on the earth. They have adaptability to changeable environment, ability to coexist, and grazing animals and humans, and endless variations with distinct life forms. They may be annual or perennial and ranges from herbs of few centimeters to height of 25 meters or above. Most of the grasses sustain through long period of droughts. Grasses cover ground and make significant contribution to biomass production. They sequester carbon from air. They play crucial role in maintenance of the world's ecosystem and biodiversity. Besides, our dairy industry is mainly dependent upon grasses. Therefore, grassland development is important for dairy development as well as production of meat and restoration of degraded ecosystem. Grasses have a great role in sustainable development of a country. In Maharashtra, rain shadow area, which covers in 14 districts, Solapur, originally drought district with very low and scattered forest area. Rural population residing around forest area is little dependent on forest for grasses. Due to low soil depth, Aristida is major species. Some pockets where soil depth and moisture found Heteropogon, Chrysopogon, Sehima and Dichanthium found. For development of such areas, seeds of Panicum maximum, Cenchrus scalaris, Bracharia decumbens, Cenchrus satigerus from IGFRI Jhansi in March 2014 and Panicum maximum and signal grassroot shoots from IGFRI Dharwad were purchased in July 2014. From seeds of grasses, 2.35 lakh polypod seedlings were prepared within 5 months with having well-developed root system, ball of earth and height up to 2 feet. These seedlings were planted in 2014, rain plantation on backside of Phil-City. Results were good. Till February 2015, most of the seedlings were thriving. Because of perennial nature of these species, there is no need of planting new fresh seedlings in 2015 rains. Growth of Genie, Anjan, Dhaman is good and they have more leafy biomass as compared to Sehima and Dichanthium. Genie and signal tussocks were brought from IGFRI Dharwad on 13 July 2014. The roots slips were separated and planted in 5 different nurseries at Kasegaon in Pandharpur Taluka, Achakdani in Sangola Taluka, Phonsiris in Marshiras Taluka, Siddheshwar Vanvihar in Solapur Taluka and Barshi. In these nurseries, ridge and furrows were prepared and root slips were planted at the distance of 2 feet in a row. Distance between 2 rows was 1 meter. Growth and yield of all grasses was observed in Kasegaon Nursery, Pandharpur in December 2014 as under. The polypod seedlings of Madras Anjan planted in Kasegaon Nursery. Grass plants were planted on ridge and furrow. The soil of Kasegaon is good and irrigations were given to the plots. Growth of Anjan was up to 5 feet. Madras Anjan is recommended by CAZRI Jodhpur to dry localities of South India. It is drought resistant. Growth of signal grass is horizontal to the earth. This way, it covers maximum area, which is beneficial to hold the soil in its roots. It has running roots. It gives maximum biomass. Growth of Genie is erect in nature. It has good foliage. In Barsh's growth was up to 5 feet. The grass Dhaman grows up to 2 to 2.50 feet in height. Biomass is good and drought resistant in nature. Bundle of grass from 1 tussocks in FYO plantations of Sangola, which was found pale dry green till February 2015 and perennial in nature. The nursery of grasses was made to provide seeds and tussocks in the coming years. In the year 2015, rains total 4 lakh polypod seedlings are to be planted. 60 hectares of grassland development in the area where old plantations of neem and bubble tree species are existing is proposed. These polypod grass seedlings will be planted in July-August 2015 rains between 2 rows of trees. Final conclusions were: polypod seedlings gave good results in the field. Grasses are primary succession species, so they adapt themselves to surrounding.